Today we are in a private building taking a look at a vintage Warsaw freight elevator. I'd like to extend a big thank you out to the building owner for taking time out of his day to show us this amazing antique elevator. There will also be some machine room footage later on, so make sure to stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get right into it.
Good. Hey, close enough.
And you can see out the window up there. There's the drive system up there. This is awesome. Let's listen to this going down.
Easier going up than going down. Watch your feet.
Okay. Run the car down. Rang the bell telling someone, hey, I need the elevator. That machine room is awesome. Now we're going to go back down to the lobby.
I'd like to thank you all for watching, and if you've made it this far in the video, congratulations for making it all the way through. My statistics show that most people don't. If you like what you see, please do consider liking, commenting, and/or subscribing, as it does help out the channel and help my motivation to keep producing more content. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that look at this amazing Warsaw elevator. So for now, that'll be it.